Hi guys, welcome back to Zoa's channel. Today we are making berry jam. You need a pan, 2 cups of berries, sugar, and a lemon. I have today here blackberries, mulberries, and raspberries. So, first we put the berries in the pot. Then we put some sugar and we put lemon and we mix it till it's like in a jammy mixture. Let's get started. Now I have blended the berries and I'm going to pour it into the pan. So we used a strainer to strain it, and we put a little water because it was hard to press down to strain. And now put 3 tablespoons of sugar. Wait. 1, 2, 3. After this, you need to stir nicely. Now the jam has set and I'm going to pour it into the jar. Then, after you put the jam in your container, you need to refrigerate it in your refrigerator. Bye guys, see you in the next video.